Let's learn how to add 2D logo into 3D object. Let's first enable import image as plane. Now press Shift A, then image as plane and select your 2D logo. Rotate it on X by 90 degrees, then move it on Y axis. Press number pad 1 to go to front view. Now scale your logo and move it. Now go to edit mode, right click, then subdivide it. Change the number of cut to 50. Now press Ctrl A and apply location and scale. Maybe rotation also if you have rotated your object. Next, select your image plane and add a string wrap modifier and target your object. On wrap mode, choose project and on X choose Y. Now hold Shift and slowly increase the offset. Last but not least, select your image plane, right click and shade it smooth. Last, go to shader editor and add a normal texture. Connect the color to the height of the bump, then connect the normal to the normal and change the strength, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.